broke the captain's vid screen.
He was spreading our squads too thin. He doesn't know what he's doing.
And because you can't control your temper, you're missing your son's bedtime. Again.
You act like I'm doing this on purpose.
Aren't you? Dylan hasn't seen you in weeks. I might as well be raising him on my own.
Then maybe you'd both be better off without me.
What? What are you saying?
We'll talk about this later.
There's always a later with you.
Damn it, Tamara. This scanner's been sabotaged. Security must be completely blind on this side. I can't talk about this right now. Holy sh... Central, incoming fire. Do you copy?
John, what's happening?
It's an attack! Get to cover! Now! Damara, are you there? Can you hear me? Damara, come in. Thank God. Residential wasn't hit. They'll be all right. They'll be fine. Central, come in! The marker, it's exposed. The EMP isn't far behind. Is your protocol up? Repeat, engage EMP protocol. Traffic control, come in. You've got ships dropping out of orbit. Headed straight for residential. Do you copy? Oh my God.
Power online. Rebooting.
Tamara, come in. Come on, baby. I need you to answer me.
Connection